In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Dnsimple to Siteground in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new website or migrating your existing one, transferring your domain can seem daunting, but it's actually a straightforward process. Let's break it down so you can do this with ease. First, you'll want to start by navigating over to Siteground's website, which is the web hosting provider we'll use for this transfer. Open your preferred browser and enter the URL to head to their main site. Once you're there, you'll notice various options at the top. What you're looking for is the login button. This is typically found in the upper right corner. Click on it and it will prompt you to enter your Siteground account credentials. Go ahead and log in using your username and password. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you need to head to your Siteground account overview. This is usually titled My Siteground Account or something similar. Take a moment to locate it on the navigation menu and click to enter. Inside your account overview, the next step is to locate the section labeled Websites. Clicking this will display all the websites currently affiliated with your Siteground account. Now look for the website under which you'd like to transfer the domain. Once you've found it, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots, often at the right corner of the website listing. This icon houses more options, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear with several options. In that list, the option you need is Transfer Ownership. It's a simple phrase, but it does a lot of heavy lifting. Clicking this will lead you to the section where you can initiate the domain transfer process. At this point, you've done most of the heavy lifting. If you followed along correctly, your screen will present you with fields and options to confirm and finalize the transfer details from Dnsimple. It's crucial to double check the details at this point to ensure everything is set up correctly. Follow the on-screen prompts and once satisfied, finalize the transfer. The whole process might seem a bit technical at first glance, but by following these steps, you should be well on your way to successfully transferring your domain from Dnsimple to Siteground. Remember, once you've completed these actions, allow some time for the changes to propagate across the internet. It typically takes a few hours, but in some cases it may take up to 24 to 48 hours for the domain transfer to be fully reflected online. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, if at any point you need assistance, Siteground's support team is just a click away to help you troubleshoot any issues. Happy transferring.